This is a thought bubble. If you follow the cursor around here, this would be the thought bubble. And then this is you down here. Now, in life, we're bombarded by thoughts. Thoughts just come from all different directions and angles. And what happens is when we have a thought, we take it into our thought bubbles. And when we're in our thought bubbles, we're very good at thinking about what's happened in the past or what might happen in the future. Thinking about what's happened in the past can often make us feel very low and depressed. Thinking about the future can make us feel anxious, worried, scared. And it's because we get caught in this negative thought cycle over here. Now, if you've watched the psychoeducation workshop, this will be familiar to you, but let me just give you a very quick recap. What happens is a situation might trigger off some underlying negative thoughts. For example, I'm not good enough, I'm powerless, I'm weak, I'm not in control. Those negative thoughts then lead to a variety of physical sensations. So you might notice that your heart is racing, you have butterflies in your tummy, you might feel tired, tearful, low in motivation. You might notice that you're sweating. Those physical sensations then affect our emotions. So we might feel anxious, scared, worried, down, angry. And then those emotions change our behavior. The two main types of behavioral changes are that we either avoid situations or we need reassurance. And whilst we think that's helping at the time, it actually reinforces the negative thoughts. Those negative thoughts get stronger and we go round and round this cycle and things just get worse and worse. So those thoughts come along and we take them into our thought bubbles. And when we're in our thought bubbles, we're very good at creating stories. So we start by saying, well, this might happen, and then that might happen, and then this might happen, and that might happen. Before long, we've created horror movies. We're so good at creating our own horror movies, we get Oscars for them. But what we've forgotten to remember is that we actually wrote the stories, we directed those movies. Research says that we probably spend at least 50% of our time in our thought bubbles. My own clinical experience and also my own personal experience is that it's a lot more than that, at least 80%, if not more.